Hello my dear students, in this lecture we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2017 for 2 marks in set 1 and the question is based on psychrometry. Now the question is, moist air is treated as an ideal gas mixture of water vapor and dry air. Here moist air is a mixture of water vapor and dry air. They are mentioning that it is a mixture of water vapor and dry air. Then molecular weight of air. Here my dear students, they have provided molecular weight of air which is nothing but 28.84. So let us write there, molecular weight of air is equal to 28.84. Then and molecular weight of water as 18. Therefore they have provided molecular weight of water which is nothing but 18. Then at a location the total pressure is 100 kilopascal. My dear students, the total pressure is nothing but total pressure is also called atmospheric pressure. Therefore the atmospheric pressure is given 100 kilopascal, right? Then the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. Here the meaning of temperature is nothing but it is dry bulb temperature, but there is no significance of dry bulb temperature in this question. Here dry bulb temperature which is nothing but temperature is given 30 degrees Celsius. Then and the relative humidity is 55%. Therefore here relative humidity is nothing but 5, which is given 55%, means it is equal to 0.55, right, in fraction. Given that saturation pressure of water at 30 degrees Celsius is 4246 Pascal. Now my dear students, they have mentioned saturation pressure Psat. Therefore Psat is given, saturation pressure of water is equal to 4246 Pascal, and atmospheric pressure is given in kilopascal. Let us convert the saturation pressure in kilopascal only. Therefore it is 4.246 kilopascal, right? Then the mass of water vapor per kg of dry air in gram. Now here they are asking what is mass of water vapor in gram. They are asking in gram per kg of dry air. Means if mass of dry air is equal to 1 kg, if mass of dry air is 1 kg, then what will be the mass of water vapor per gram? This is a question. Now let us solve this question. Here I will delete the question. In this fill in the blanks, you have to type in gram. Now my dear students, for this question the answer is 14.92. Therefore in this fill in the blanks you have to type 14.92 in grams. This is the answer in gram. Already they have mentioned the units, so here you have to type only numerical value. Now let us find this answer. How this answer will come, let us find this, right? Now my dear students, here we have written the given data, so let us use the formulas, right? Now here very first formula is that we have relative humidity. Phi is nothing but the relative humidity phi is nothing but it is a pressure of vapor divided by it is saturation pressure. Vapor pressure divided by saturation pressure is the formula for relative humidity. Therefore from this we can calculate PV. Vapor pressure is equal to relative humidity into saturation pressure, and saturation pressure is given in the question. Therefore vapor pressure is equal to phi 0.55 into saturation pressure is given 4.246 kilopascal, right? From this if I calculate vapor pressure, then vapor pressure will be equal to 2.335 kilopascal. This will be the vapor pressure which is required in the calculation further. Now again we have formula for relative humidity, sorry, specific humidity omega. Specific humidity omega is nothing but mass of vapor divided by mass of dry air, which is also written as molecular weight of water divided by molecular weight of air into pressure of vapor divided by P atmosphere minus pressure of vapor. This is the formula. Already we have derived these formulas in theory lectures, or also we have defined these formulas in theory lectures, right? So let us put here. Therefore my dear students, here we can say the mass of vapor divided by mass of air is equal to, this is nothing but specific humidity, which is nothing but molecular weight of water is given 18, molecular weight of air is given 28.84 in the question. Pressure of vapor we have calculated 2.335 divided by atmospheric pressure is given 100, that is total pressure, minus vapor pressure is 2.335. Now in this equation mass of air is given 1, right? Here put this mass of air is equal to 1 because already per kg of air they are asking. Therefore here instead of mass of air I will put here 1, right? Therefore as mass of air we are putting in kg, therefore your answer will be mass of vapor will be in kg. So my dear students, in this total equation, only mass of vapor is unknown. And this answer, if you calculate, solve for mass of vapor, then you will find mass of vapor is equal to 0.01492. But as mass of air we have kept in kg, the answer will be in kg. So if you type this answer, you will get 0 marks because they are asking answer in grams. Therefore, to convert into gram, then mass of vapor is equal to convert into gram, we have to multiply this with 1000. If I multiply with 1000, then answer will be 14.92 grams. And in fill in the blanks, you have to type 14.92. Thank you, dear students. In next lecture, we will see one more numerical on this topic.